Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to participate in the TenantCloud affiliate program. A lot of TenantCloud users tend to refer people that they know in the industry to the TenantCloud platform to manage their own rental properties. And as a way to say thank you and compensate you for those referrals, we have launched an affiliate program in the past couple of years that you can access by going to the gear wheel icon in the upper right corner of your account and select affiliate program and simply select activate. From here, you're going to need to review the agreement and the terms of use. And once you have agreed with those terms and conditions, you can select Activate Program. And that's it. You are successfully signed up for the affiliate program. Now, all you have to do is to simply use your link to send to anybody that you want to refer to the TenantCloud platform. And when that user signs up for a qualified account, you will get credited for that sign up once they have met all of the criteria. Once you have reached the amount of $50, you'll be able to withdraw the funds from your affiliate program balance to your bank account. Another way that you can invite people to sign up is by simply selecting the invite to sign up button. And if it is a landlord or property manager, simply enter their email address here. Or if it is a service pro, you can enter it here. And service providers can also create their own accounts and access a whole suite of tools available for service providers. And the email that they receive will include a link that has your referral code already embedded in it so that you get credit if they ultimately end up signing up for a TenantCloud account. Once you've entered that information, simply select Send Invitation, and that will be off to your referrals. You can view all of the information here associated with the referrals that you have sent out and which ones have signed up, which ones have been invited, and which ones have created a qualified account, as well as the payout history associated with your affiliate account. And that is how easy it is to create an affiliate account on TenantCloud. You can get started by going to tenantcloud.com and click sign up for your free trial today.